Confidence to teach online. Is it hard to teach online or offline in schools or university or at home to teaching one-to-one at your children or someone, or teach or guide someone the road maps or distance or something, or communication is still you need to not communication properly. Is it hard? Yes, it's sometimes hard because you do not have idea or experience, because you don't have practical things. So how these practical things you can adopt and where you practice? I will guide you. Simple process of starting teaching online or as your communication will be more improved. Start with your making content. If you want to just teach for 5 seconds, teach for something in 30 seconds or 1 minute or half an hour. I suggest you one topic like 5 ways to teach online English with fearless. So number 1 point is speak English. Number 2, more speak English. Number 3, what do you want to say? Just say it. Number 5, write English, then read and speak. Number 5, keep practice. It's just amazing. You have just delivered something with your mouth without hesitation or thinking. Is it easy? As simple as simple. You can easily connect with your audience. What do you want to say? Just think, write and speak. Whatever sometimes we write and speak and we need a correction, or confident to have connection of audience, or we are sometimes are just fear what people are think of us in online, how we are looking. So look at yourself at mirror first, then look around without camera or something, face to the audience. As I'm here to facing you, or maybe this video going to viral, or thousands of people are watching me and comments or many things. So what I do? I'm thinking for this result? No. Just start your process step by step. You will keep improving and your life will be starting at the moment at step by step. Thousands of miles journey begins with a single step, and every day we are success start with our opportunity. So this video's course series is all about your improving of area. So let's move to the next video and learn more about it. Thank you.